Imagine a future where artificial intelligence is not just a novelty, but a deeply ingrained part of our daily lives, revolutionizing industries and transforming the way we work and interact. This future is within our grasp, and at the forefront of this technological tidal wave is the ASUS Ascent GX10 AI supercomputer, equipped with a powerhouse NVIDIA GB10 Superchip, 128 GB LPDDR5X, and 1 TB PCI Gen 4 NVMe SSD. The reality is, however, that AI development has not kept pace with its applications. Current computing infrastructure is often cumbersome, inefficient, and not designed with the needs of AI developers in mind. Many are forced to juggle the complexities of hardware and software, compromising performance and security in the process. The market gap for a platform that prioritizes the needs of AI developers is vast, and ASUS aims to fill this void. In the hand, the ASUS Ascent GX10 exudes a sense of premium quality and solidity. The chassis is crafted from high-quality aluminum, weighing 14.7 kilograms, but still compact enough to be placed on a typical workstation desk. Upon closer inspection, the edges are finely textured, showcasing attention to detail in a product clearly designed to withstand repeated handling by developers and technicians. Despite its robust build, however, the machine's dimensions are remarkably compact given its sheer processing capabilities. The NVIDIA GB10 Superchip is the beating heart of the ASUS Ascent GX10, delivering unparalleled performance that shatters the 1 petaFLOP barrier. The Superchip integrates 128 GB of LPDDR5X memory, which allows developers to fine-tune massive 200B models with unprecedented ease, minimizing the need for complex system management configurations. Additionally, this setup ensures seamless execution and efficient utilization of resources, enabling faster turnaround times and reduced developer fatigue. The ASUS Ascent GX10 offers a highly developer-optimized platform, with compatibility across various frameworks, such as OpenClaw and NemoClaw. What this means in practical terms is that developers can utilize these frameworks to build secure, long-running agentic workflows with private on-device inference, sandboxed execution, and governed data access, a crucial aspect in maintaining data integrity and adhering to regulatory requirements. In terms of scalability, the NVIDIA NVLink C2C in the ASUS Ascent GX10 delivers ultra-fast transfer rates, allowing developers to easily scale up their workloads while maintaining uncompromised performance. Furthermore, this advanced data transfer protocol enables seamless data sharing and synchronization across multiple units, ensuring that work is always up to date and accessible as needed. To test the ASUS Ascent GX10 in a real-world setting, I decided to simulate a scenario commonly encountered in AI development, fine-tuning a pre-trained model on a large, complex dataset. Using OpenClaw's robust development environment and the provided sample code, I managed to configure and launch a 100B model on the ASUS Ascent GX10, achieving remarkable results within a matter of hours. Not only did the machine's 1 petaFLOP performance ensure efficient execution, but its 128 GB of memory also eliminated any memory constraints I often encounter on lower-end hardware. However, I also encountered some minor setbacks during my testing process. Firstly, the ASUS Ascent GX10's high temperatures may cause some users to experience slight throttling, which, while not detrimental to performance, is still worth noting. Secondly, while the machine's power consumption is in line with industry norms, developers may still need to account for the higher costs associated with running such powerful hardware. When it comes to choosing the right AI supercomputer, the market offers several capable options, including the NVIDIA DGX A100H and Google Cloud TPU v4. Each of these solutions boasts impressive specifications and exceptional performance, but ASUS has carefully tailored the Ascent GX10 to cater to the unique needs of AI developers. Key to this is the Ascent GX10's developer-focused design, which ensures seamless integration with OpenClaw, NemoClaw, and Gray stackable metal chassis, a critical factor in maximizing productivity and minimizing developer frustration. In conclusion, the ASUS Ascent GX10 AI supercomputer stands as a beacon of innovation, expertly marrying groundbreaking performance with intuitive usability, thereby revolutionizing the way we build, train, and deploy AI models. With the unparalleled compute capabilities provided by the NVIDIA GB10 Superchip, paired with cutting-edge memory and storage solutions, this machine is the ultimate platform for AI developers seeking to unlock the full potential of their work. If you're involved in AI development or considering the possibility, I highly recommend the ASUS Ascent GX10 AI supercomputer. With its industry-leading specifications, developer-optimized design, and robust support network, you will undoubtedly benefit from faster development cycles, more efficient workloads, and a clear competitive edge in the rapidly evolving world of AI. To explore this exceptional AI supercomputer and unleash its full potential in your projects, I encourage you to visit the official ASUS website, speak with one of their technical representatives, or even schedule a hands-on demonstration for a more immersive experience.